Now students, our next topic is parts of the plane divided by a circle. So a circle here a circle is divided into three parts. A circle divides the plane on which it lie on the three parts. So these parts are called the circle of the parts. The first part is inside the circle, which is called the interior of the circle. Here we draw a circle. In this circle, this part is called the interior of the circle. So write down here interior. This is inside the circle. This region is called the inside the circle, and which is called the interior of the circle. Now second part is on the circle. On the circle, it means the on the circle, that is lie on this on the circle. So you can write down here on the circle. This part is called the on the circle. Now the third part is outside of the circle, which is called the exterior of the circle. Outside of the circle, it means the outside of the interior. So sorry, outside of the circle. So here, so this part is called the exterior of the circle. So this is the exterior part of the circle, this is the interior part of the circle, and this is on the circle, lie on the circle. So these are the three important parts. It's divided by a circle. Now here are some important points. The first is circle having same center. A circle having same center, that is called the concentric circle. Suppose here we given a circle and again we draw second circle. So both circles are the radius will be same. Center point will be same. So the circle having same center, that is called the concentric circle. Now next point is if two circles are said to be congruent. If two circle we have two congruent, two circle are said to be congruent, we if and only if either of them can be superposed on the other so as to cover it. The first circle is completely covered by the second circle, and both circle will be radius is same, equal. Suppose this is a 3 centimeter, so this circle will be radius is also 3 centimeter. So you can say both circle will be congruent. So the circle, this circle is exactly, there are the radius will be equal. So you can say that these both circle will be congruent. So this is important points for related to circles. Now